welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and autumn is here. The Halloween shops have popped up, the air is getting crisp, and the local apple orchards just opened up. We just snagged a whole bushel of apples, so I decided to whip up one of my favorite drinks of the season, hot apple cider. So let's dive in. Let's start off by looking at our apples of choice. I have 5 Honeycrisp apples to give our cider a wonderful apple flavor and sweetness. I also have 2 Granny Smith apples to give our cider a little bit of tartness to counteract that sweet. And 1 Golden Delicious because it's my favorite, and that's the only reason I got. But whatever combination of apples you're wanting to experiment with, just make sure you have around 8 to 10. Slice them up into quarters and add them into the biggest stock pot you have. Now add in 1 gallon of water before spicing it up with some cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and whole allspice. And for some additional sweetness, add in some brown sugar. Give it all a good mix and make sure to get all the way to the bottom of the pot so you can incorporate that sugar. Now turn the heat up to high and let that come to a boil. Once you start seeing bubbles make their way to the top, place a lid on that and turn the heat down to medium-low. We're going to let that simmer on the heat for 2 hours to let all those flavors really come together, so I'll see you in a bit. Now comes the part that makes our cider a cider. Get out a potato masher and smash the contents of the pot so there's no intact apples remaining. Now we have kind of an apple mash. We're going to keep simmering that for another hour so we can get every drop of flavor out of these apples. On to our last step. Since we don't want any apple gunk in our cups, we're going to strain it all out. Get out another large pot and very slowly pour the contents through a strainer. There's a lot of apple gunk in this pot, so when that strainer gets full, push out any extra liquid with a spoon, dump it out, and keep on going. Now that all of our cider has been strained out and it's nice and hot, let's serve this dish. And of course, I had to get out my Halloween mug. There's nothing better than a hot drink. We're getting all the delicious sweetness of the apple with all the delicious flavors of our spices. It is a perfect drink. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite drinks you use to stay warm throughout the season. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Why can I not get this sticker? Come on. Gee. Oh. Hey, there we go. Jeez.